Alright, quick update from the drone world. The US just moved to ban the purchase of new foreign-made drones for federal use. Yeah, the ones commonly made overseas. This isn't about your hobby quadcopter in the park, it's about government agencies and the gear they buy. Here's the hook. Less drones are bad, more supply chain and security. Lawmakers are worried about data, video, maps, flight logs, leaking to companies tied to foreign governments. So the plan? Stop buying new ones and shift to American-made alternatives. Let me break it down. Federal agencies have relied on affordable, reliable drones. Great cameras, solid flight time. But risks. Firmware that phones home. Spare parts that can be cut off overnight. That's a national security risk. Policy aims. Freeze new purchases from flagged manufacturers. Audit existing fleets. Push funding toward domestic production. So what does that mean short term? Fewer choices. Higher prices. A scramble for replacements. Pilots built around certain ecosystems may need retraining. Apps, batteries, payloads. Some missions could see delays. Wildfire mapping. Search and rescue. Long term. If US makers scale up, more secure drones are possible. Tighter data controls. Better on-device encryption. Reliable support. Competition could push innovation. Swappable payloads. Endurance. AI-assisted flight. But a risk. Without global competition, costs could stay high and features might lag. What should you do? If you fly commercially, review compliance, update data policies, watch grant programs. If you're a hobbyist, mostly fine. Stay informed. The sky isn't falling, it's changing. Plan for the pivot now so you're not grounded later.